Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our second module of the same chapter, that is app development. Yes, in the last video we done about the educational app. Today we have to do the other type of the app, that is social networking apps. You all are very known about the social networking apps, right? Social networking app means that basically used to connect one person to other socially. Okay, so here you can see we are having the WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All these are the social networking apps. You know about the WhatsApp with over 1.5 billion active users. WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging app. Instant messaging app means you can instantly send your message to one or the more persons, right? Although initially started as a text messaging app, initially it was only a text messaging app, but now you can send your audios, videos, right? Same as for the Facebook. Facebook is about 2.23 billion active users. Okay, you can use your Facebook on your PCs, desktop, your laptops, on your mobiles, right? Or as well you can use as the remote servers. Twitter is also a social networking app where people communicate in short message called tweets. Tweeting is sending short messages to anyone who follows you on Twitter, with the exception that your message are useful and interesting to someone in your audience. Otherwise there is no meaning to use your Twitter account. Okay, same as for the Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit. These all are the social networking apps. Now we are talk about the entertainment apps. Looking for someone entertainment, if you have smartphone, you will find a lot of entertainment apps on it, like Hotstar, Gaana app, right? While many of these apps are free to use, some charges a fee for their premium services. Okay, if we talk about the Prime Video, yes, we have to pay some charges to join this, but some are having totally free for us, but just we have to want the internet connection. If we want to use that, we just want to the internet connections, right? Here you can see the banking and the finance apps. We know that UPI, Bheem, these all are the banking apps, right? With the help of these apps, we can easily do our banking sections very easily. Like I want to transfer my money to someone, then I just have to use that Paytm, Google Pay, right? Or if you want to retrieve some money from someone, then you can also use these apps, right? So here we are having the money control, Paytm, Google Pay, digital wallet. These all are the banking and the finance apps. The next one is the e-commerce. What is the meaning of e-commerce? Whatever we have to buy or sell of the goods or services using electronics, through electronics, via electronics, that is known as e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. Whatever the things we have to do with the help of the electronics, that is known as the electronic commerce. The rapid increase in the use of the mobile technology and the desire of the people to get things done quickly has promoted e-commerce companies to opt for the mobile apps to supplement their businesses. Suppose you want to purchase something at the time of 12 o'clock at night. Is it possible for you? No. But in the e-commerce section, you can easily get everything at any time, right? Yes, it will take little time to grab your things, but you can order as per your requirement, as per your need, as per your convenience, right? Now the topic is downloading and installing an apps from the Google Play Store. How we have to download or install the apps from Google Play Store? You all know it very properly. We just have to go to the Google Play Store app, then When you click on the Google this icon, the Google Play Store option will appear. On the search box you just have to write down which app you want to download. Okay, then you have to write that app, and after the writing that app you have to select press the install option. When you click on the install option, your app will install in your device. Right, this is a very easy method. You already done these things in your mobiles, am I right? So you have to go through with this section properly so that you can easily understand what the topic is, what is the meaning of e-commerce, what is the use of the banking and the finance apps, and how we have to that download and install the apps from the Google Play Store. Fine. Thank you and have a nice day.